Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in studying this geometry, analyzing it and seeing how we'll proceed with the geometry. So after analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best way to start this drawing would be by drawing one rectangle which would be of 250 units by 200 units. This will be the outer framework of our geometry. After that, we'll draw this inner rectangle which would be 180 units by 100 units. And using the corner as the center point for the circle, we'll draw these 4 circles of 38 dia. Then we'll draw a rectangle of 25 units by 200 units and place it in the center of the rectangle. Then we'll copy that rectangle 90 degrees and it will be of the same dimensions. Then we'll draw one circle of 50 radius. Then we'll trim off the unwanted lines. Now, in order to get this arc, what we'll do, we'll draw one circle with this as a center point and radius of 37.5 and another circle with this as a center point and the radius would be 150 or with this as a center point and a diameter of 150. After that, we'll draw one arc specifying this as a start point, this as the end point and radius 125. Then we'll mirror the arc on the 4 corners. Then we'll change the thickness of the lines. Then we'll put the center marks. Then we'll do the dimensioning and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the geometry. So first we use the rectangle command and I'll use this as a tracking point and click somewhere over here and draw one rectangle. I'll give the width as 250 and the height as 200. This is the outer geometry. Then we'll draw another rectangle. We can draw it over here. And this rectangle will give the width as 180 and the height as 100. So this is the inner rectangle with a width of 180 and a height of 100. Now we'll move this rectangle from the geometric center of this rectangle to the geometric center of this rectangle. Then we'll draw these 4 circles of 38 dia. So circle, center diameter, use this as the midpoint and 38. Hit enter. Again repeat the same command, enter. Again repeat the same command, enter. Again repeat the same command and enter. Now we no longer need this rectangle, so we erase it. Now we'll draw one circle with center radius, with this as a center point and radius as 50. Now we'll move the circle and the base point would be center point of this to the geometric center of this rectangle. Now we'll draw one rectangle of 25 units by 200 units. So we select rectangle and say 25 units by 200 units and hit enter. Now we'll move this rectangle. So we select the rectangle, we type move. This is the base point and this is the point where we want to move it. Now we'll rotate and copy this rectangle. So we click on the rectangle, RO for rotate, specify the base point, then click on copy and then give the rotation angle as 90 and hit enter. Now we have to trim off the unwanted lines. So we type trim and we remove the unwanted lines from the circle this way. So the inner geometry is now ready. Now we want to make the arc. So we'll select circle, center radius. This is the center point and radius is 37.5. And now we use circle center diameter. This is the center point and the diameter is 150. Now we use the arc and select a start, end and radius. Start, end and radius. So this is the start point, this is the end point and radius is 125. Now we erase the unwanted circles and now we mirror this arc and again mirror these two arcs and hit enter. Now we trim the unwanted lines and our geometry is complete. Now we have to increase the thickness of the line. So we select the objects and we increase the thickness to 0.30. Then we press escape and we type CM for center mark. 1 center mark here, 1 center mark here, 1 over here. Hit enter. Now we ought to change the color of the center marks. So select the center marks. And we change the color to red. Then press escape to come out of the center mark command. Now we proceed with the dimensioning. So we select linear dimensioning and we specify from center of this to center of this. It is 100 units. Again linear dimensioning from here to here. It is 150 units. And again linear dimensioning from here to here. It is 200 units. Again linear dimensioning from center point of this to center point of this. It is 180 units. And again linear dimensioning from here to here. It is 250. Then we go for diameter. Click over here and specify the location for the diameter. Double click on it and go to the end of it and write X4. Click on close text editor. Then again go for linear dimensioning from here to here, 25. Again go for radius dimensioning. Click over here, it is 50. Then go for linear dimensioning from here to here. It is 37.5. Again linear dimensioning from here to here, 25. And again linear dimensioning from here to here, 37.5. Finally radius and click over here to give the radius for this circle as 125. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this tutorial we have studied many new commands. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.